Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can search for nRoBo project. Go to pypy.org, search nRoBo, and here you will see nRoBo powerful yet easy to use automated testing framework. Click on it and you will redirect it to project page. Powerful yet easy to use automated testing framework, and this is project description, logo, nRoBo, and automated testing framework for web developers, QAs, and testers. Online tutorials you can find here on YouTube channel. Currently there are no videos, but very soon there will be all the tutorial videos like the one that I am just right now recording. So here you will find all the project related information, and here is the bug tracker link. If you find any issues or face any issues, report there. This is change log. This I will try to update. By the way, version 16 and 19 do not have much difference. And this is PyPy home, PyPy project page.